Hi, students. I didn't even see you there. Hope you're staying well. Coronavirus, COVID-19, pandemic. These are words that were not in our vocabulary when we brought in the new year. Are you nervous? Anxious? A little bit? Maybe a lot? Me too. Perhaps we should rely on what we did the last time this occurred in our lifetime. We can't do that. Maybe we can at least hug it out a little bit. Make us all feel better. We can't do that either, can we? But what we can do is stay strong. So I didn't know the name of this, but this is called an acrostic. Students, you probably already knew that. But it's a word that I will point out some words that begin with these letters about what we can do to manage this pandemic. By the way, throw the word acrostic down next time you're playing Scrabble. Good call. So let's start with the S. First thing we need to remind ourselves is this is serious. A pandemic is a widespread worldwide disease, as opposed to an epidemic, which is more localized. We're dealing with a pandemic right now, and we need to do whatever we can together to minimize the spread of this illness. I got two more S's. Sleep. We all need our rest. Perhaps now more than ever. And I've heard more and more students getting their 9 to 10 hours, which is what we want. Perhaps when all of this is behind us, the importance of sleep will be reinforced and everybody will get their necessary rest, which is good for their healthy minds and healthy bodies. This sucks, right? You're missing your spring school trips. You're missing your spring sports. You're missing the spring musical, the science Olympiad. You're also missing once-in-a-lifetime experiences, such as prom, senior skip day. That's good. And even the graduation ceremony. And let me point out, it's not only okay to feel that it sucks, it's okay to express that it sucks. This sucks. This totally sucks. I can't hear you. Much better. Let's move on to the T. The T is together. We're having a lot of home time together, aren't we? Parents may be working from home or not, maybe outside the home. Students are working online. Give each other support while also giving each other space. Physical distancing is necessary, but try to stay socially connected with your friends. Zoom, whatever platform you want to use. Stay together. Let's move on to the R. Actually, I got two R's. First R is resilient. It's a quality that we discover along the way, and it's situations and circumstances like this that make us discover that. Resilient means being able to withstand or recover from difficult conditions. We're in that right now. So take pride in what you do every day to provide yourself and others with that important quality of being resilient. As for the second R, we got to relax, right? It's a stressful time. Let's do what we can to relax. Whatever your preferred measure to relax, get outside, take a walk, maintain your distance from one another. Fresh air is good. And understand what you can control through this pandemic and what you can't. Decrease your own high standards, particularly with things like standardized tests, which may not happen. Try not to put too much pressure on yourself. Let's move on to the O. Ownership. If we don't own this, this is going to be more prolonged. It takes a community and worldwide effort. We need to embrace this challenge so we can get past this pandemic. How about the N? Like the R's, I got two N's. The N's are now and new. We need to act now, and we need to understand this is a new experience for everybody. I think that will help us all. Information changes by the day. Stay current. Governor DeWine and Dr. Acton in our state are doing a tremendous job of keeping us informed on a daily basis. So do what we can now and understand that this is a new experience for everybody. Moving on to the G. Goals. We're around the house daily. Let's set some goals so we can take pride in how we're managing this pandemic each and every day. Offer to do some cleaning around the house. Think about it as a team effort. Brighten somebody's day from afar, of course, right now. For example, reach out remotely to your neighbor, to your teacher, to your grandparent. Give an act of kindness each day. It'll be good for all of us. So there you go. Let's stay strong together. My good friend Fran, a while back, got me this mug. It says, "I got your back." Let's have each other's back. Now's as important time as ever to do so. Stay well.